Today is Mom's birthday.
What? Really?
Yes, we need a secret plan.
Let's make it a surprise.
We are going to bake a giant birthday cake.
And we should buy colorful balloons too.
Mom will love it.
This will be the best birthday ever. Look at the clock. Mom comes home at 5. Oh dear, we must hurry. Let's make a shopping list first. I can help you write it.
What do we need for the cake?
We need flour and sugar. Let's add strawberries too. And don't forget the candles.
I am the driver today.
Captain Dad is ready. I will be the shopping manager.
Team Surprise is ready. Here we are, team.
Let's find the first item.
I am ready with the basket. Great teamwork.
This is the baking aisle.
Look, the flour is over there. Good eyes, Lily. I'll put it in the basket. This bag is very heavy.
Don't worry. Let me help you.
Thank you, Daddy. That's what dads are for.
Next is sugar.
I think it's in aisle 4. There it is! Perfect!
Welcome to our baking kitchen.
I can't wait to bake. We need a giant bowl.
Let's use the blue one.
That apron is too small.
I think it still fits. You look funny, Dad.
A very funny chef.
The flour and sugar are ready.
Let's mix everything together. Can I stir? Of course.
We need 1/2 cup of flour.
I know that.
Now 1/4 cup of sugar.
That's tiny. Dad, be careful.
Oops.
You have a white beard.
And a white nose.
Time for the oven. Carefully.
It's ready.
180 degrees.
30 minutes is a long time. Look, it's growing.
Almost done.
I can't wait.
The cake is ready.
It smells amazing. Let's add sprinkles.
Perfect. The kitchen is messy.
I'll clean the table.
I'll wash the bowl.
Let's make it sparkle.
Let's decorate.
I will blow up balloons. Move that one right.
Perfect.
What is that sound? Footsteps.
Mom is home.
Hide. I'm hiding here. Where should I go?
I'm too big for this couch.
Pull your feet in.
Hello, everyone.
Surprise!
Oh my goodness.
Happy birthday.
Did you bake this for me? Yes! We made it together. It's beautiful.
Make a wish.
Okay.
Blow out the candles! Happy birthday, Mom!
Thank you, my loves. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, everyone.
We love you.
Happy birthday! Best day ever! Let's blow them out!
Ready, Sophie?
1, 2, 3. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the story.
See you next time.
Bye bye, everyone.